Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome client hints behavior, step by step, updated for 2026. Client hints allow websites to receive device and browser information like screen size, device type, and network quality. While useful for performance optimization, they can raise privacy concerns or cause compatibility issues. Let's start. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings, Arrow, Privacy and Security. Review your privacy settings, especially third-party cookies and tracking protections, since client hints depend on these permissions. Next, open Chrome //settings/content and review all site permissions. Select the affected website and ensure JavaScript and site data are allowed. Blocking these can prevent client hints from being sent correctly. Now open developer tools using Control plus Shift plus I or Command plus Option plus I. Go to the Network tab and reload the page. Click on a request and check the Request Headers section. Here you can see client hints headers like sec-ch-ua, sec-ch-device-memory, or sec-ch-viewport-width. If client hints are missing or incorrect, check Chrome flags. Open Chrome //flags, search for client hints, and reset any modified flags to default. Experimental flag changes can alter how hints are shared. Next, check browser extensions. Go to Chrome //extensions and temporarily disable privacy, fingerprinting, or user agent spoofing extensions. These often block or modify client hints headers. If you're testing privacy behavior, clear site data, go to Settings, Arrow, Privacy, and Security, Arrow, Site, Settings, Arrow, Storage, find the site, and clear its data. This resets stored preferences affecting client hints. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome //settings/help and restart the browser to ensure the latest client hints behavior and fixes are applied. And that's it. By reviewing site permissions, inspecting request headers, resetting flags, managing extensions, and keeping Chrome updated, you can fully control Google Chrome client hints behavior while balancing performance and privacy. Kyle Ami. Hey everyone!